Hello, welcome back to Brain Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, I will be doing an improvisation using spread chalk and the curved nodes. So basically, spread chalk has a lot of curved nodes now. So you can do something like this. So remember the old trick, just line, put it into vector noise, and use this line to create a curve. Let's just use a cubic spline and increase the line here, and curve evaluate. We can take a look at the result very quickly. We get something like this. So we can play around with the number here. We can change the seed of the noise. We can use Berlin or other curve. So cell noise usually give a funny looking curve, but you need to increase the sample here. So normally it's a lot of fun just to get random looking noise, random looking curve. And let's save this very quickly. So improvisation curve. So normally at this point I like to use something like bevel curve, and you can use Angon. Plug this into this bevel, and this is the points for the curve. Just output something. Increase the step, reduce the radius. So we get something that looks like a pipe. Not too bad. Sometimes they do twisting and stuff. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. So let's put this 100 or something. So you can have this random looking shapes. Because this is Angon, you can change the value and randomize the shapes a little bit. Yeah, sometimes something like that is pretty fun. But something with the line itself, with a cubic spline here. I'm pretty sure we can do something just beyond what it is. I believe we have, okay, curve segment, remember from the last live noding? We can segment the curve line. So if we instead of using cell nodes, we're gonna use Berlin. We're gonna move this result to the side. So we have this line here that we can segment. We scale to 0 to 1, and then the segment we can evaluate. And let's see what this is going to give us. So we can just cut the curve. So let's try a number, math value, plug this in. So we can sort of have like this worm that travels around the path, which is can be handy. So you can have like a, I don't know, like some kind of weird tunnel. So we have this 10 sample. We can use this with matrix normal, I believe. We can use the vertices and the tangent, plug into the location and normal, and so we can try, if we use like a donut toes, have a look. It should travel across. So let's see if this is really working. We might need to pick the up axis. Okay, so we have this kind of worm travel around this path. So if we use mesh viewer, we use the matrix and we create this. We have this value that I think can be baked. So this guy, we can put it back to original positions. We have our end gun there, and we have the donuts that's gonna travel around. So let's try making this. Yeah, like that. So now we have this donut rings that's traveling through this path. Okay, so I guess it's really simple, right? But it's probably useful for you at some point. It's fun to make this roller coaster of donuts. We can increase the number of donuts. We can space them apart. And maybe I'll try to bake this. You can, I believe you can make it cyclic as well. So it's now cyclic. And if it's cyclic, then it's gonna go round and round. Oh, except that, okay, because we are using segment and it's probably failed. It goes out of the path at some point. Oh well. Maybe there's a way to loop this properly. But there you go, that's basically what I'm trying to do. It's donuts that's traveling through this path. I'll try to bake it, turn it into AR. Alright, so there you go. Thanks again for tuning in. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.